Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve 90% of the WordPress email issue. Okay, in the recent years, it's getting more and more common that people are not receiving their contact form messages whenever someone use their contact form in their website. And a lot of e-commerce owners also not receiving sales notification from their e-commerce store whenever there are sales purchase. So most of these issues are caused by shared hosting email server. So especially if you are using a shared hosting solution by most of the very popular shared hosting companies out there, you might have encountered such issue. So the solution here is to use a dedicated SMTP provider. So this SMTP provider, their main job is to use their specialized IP server to send emails, which has up to like 100% or 99% accuracy to send it to your recipient. So fortunately, I have found this Brevo out of the many SMTP providers. This Brevo has a very good free plan for me to use. So I want to recommend this to you as well. So you can go to Brevo website, sign up for a free account. The free account allows you to send up to 300 emails per day. So I believe this is enough for most websites out there. And you do not need to have a credit card to sign up for a free account at Brevo, unlike some of the SMTP providers in the market. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so first, before you sign up Brevo, let's go to your WordPress dashboard because you need to install a plugin. So once you go to the dashboard, click add new plugin and search for the keyword. You can just put in the keyword SMTP because you will require a plugin to configure this. So the plugin that I recommend is this one, WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. So it has the highest installation till date. So this one is the plugin I use. So go ahead and click install and activate. Then after that, you can go to the setting. So let me go to the setting to show you the page. So let's go to the general page. Over here, make sure that you select this option to on. Okay, then put in your website name or your name over here. And for the mailer, you see that by default, it is using your server to send out email. So we are going to use Brevo. So click on Brevo and they will ask you to have an API key. So this API key is what you will find in your Brevo account. Okay, so you can easily create API key if you sign in into your Brevo account and go to the profile over here, click on SMTP and API. Then after that, click on API keys and generate a new API key and copy the API code in here. After that, just save setting. Most of the time, this will make sure that your email is sending out with no issue. Okay. But if your email is not sending out, then you will want to complete the full step highlighted here in the Brevo documentation that require you to also set up some domain email records. Okay, so this is a full step that you will need to do if let's say just now the simple step that I show you doesn't work out. For some of my website, I just enter the API key and I click save setting. It will work as it does. But just in case it does not work for you, then you will need to follow the step here step by step to add a domain, to add DNS record, then it will work for your website. Okay, so do try out Brevo and this SMTP plugin. Once you have this installed and activated in your website, your email should be sending out with no issue in future. Do your best to avoid using sending emails using your shared hosting server. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments area below. If you find this video useful, please help me to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.